Okay. So guys, ito ang Wagyu. Wagyu beef. Original from Japan. Sangka pa. Hindi nyo alam yung Wagyu beef, mga kaibigan, paki-search nyo lang. Only in Japan. Up. Yan. Tapos man. Cica nak, cica. Wagyu beef, guys. It's really melt in your mouth. Oh, the best. Super sarap. Ano yun? Ah. Ayan, mag-Japan pa kasi. Talsik na. Sige, sarap. Wagyu beef yan. Sarap, the best. It's melt in your mouth. Grabe. Sarap pala dito sa Japan. Dito lang ako nakatikim ng Wagyu beef. Super.